It doesn't chase. It doesn't bite. It doesn't even need to touch its prey. With a single move, almost invisible, it unleashes a force so powerful it can kill from a distance. This is nature's ultimate assassin, and what it does will change how you see predators forever. Tonight, we dive into the world of creatures that kill without contact, from underwater shockwave hunters that strike faster than lightning, to predators that turn the very air around them into a weapon. Stay till the end, because what scientists discovered about how one of these killers hunts could redefine human warfare. The killer that fires shockwaves. It's tiny, barely the size of your finger, yet it has the most powerful weapon, pound for pound, in the animal kingdom. Meet the pistol shrimp, also known as the snapping shrimp. Its claw doesn't crush or pierce, it fires. When this shrimp snaps its claw shut, it creates a bubble moving at over 60 miles per hour. That bubble collapses instantly, releasing a shockwave of over 200 decibels, louder than a gunshot, strong enough to stun or kill small fish instantly. And it's not just the sound that's deadly. That bubble's collapse generates temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, over 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. For a fraction of a second, it creates a flash of plasma, right there in the ocean. It's as if nature gave a shrimp the power of a miniature bomb. This shrimp doesn't touch its prey, it kills with pressure and heat. Scientists call it cavitation, a violent burst of energy caused when a vacuum bubble implodes. Humans have tried to replicate it for underwater weapons. Nature perfected it first, the electric killers of the deep. But there's another predator that kills from afar, with pure electricity, the electric eel. Not an eel, actually, a knife fish, but one that can generate up to 860 volts, enough to knock down a horse or stop a human heart. When it senses movement in the water, the eel doesn't need to see. It sends out low-voltage pulses, scanning, mapping, detecting. Once it locks onto prey, it fires a high-voltage blast, stunning its victim before it ever gets close. Fish, frogs, even mammals go rigid, paralyzed. And here's where it gets even more terrifying. Recent research shows electric eels can leap from the water to deliver shocks directly onto predators or anything that threatens them, using their own bodies like a living taser. Humans once thought these creatures were mythical. Now we know their strikes are precise electromagnetic attacks, guided by their own internal radar. But what's mind-blowing? The eel's electric organs evolved from ordinary muscle tissue. Over millions of years, evolution rewired its body into a biological power plant. Nature didn't just make this predator dangerous, it made it strategic. The toxin that travels through air. Some predators kill with a touch, but a few can kill without even that. In the rainforests of South America, the golden poison dart frog carries a neurotoxin so lethal, a single drop could kill 10 grown men. Now, here's where it gets chilling. The toxin, batrachotoxin, can spread through airborne contact or secondary surfaces, meaning, in the right humidity and conditions, even handling leaves it touched can cause paralysis. Predators don't hunt it, because they know. Every color on its skin screams, "Touch me, and you die." And here's the twist. The frog doesn't produce this poison itself. It gets it from its diet of toxic insects, absorbing and weaponizing their chemistry. A frog, harmless by appearance, turned into a living chemical weapon. A killer not by strength, but by chemistry. The invisible hunters. Now we descend deeper, where light disappears and sight means nothing. Here, in the crushing depths, another kind of predator rules. The box jellyfish. No brain, no heart, no bones. Yet its transparent body carries millions of microscopic harpoons, nematocysts, each loaded with lethal venom. The jellyfish doesn't even need to make contact to kill. Its tentacles release a halo of toxin-filled filaments that can drift unseen, wrapping prey or unlucky swimmers in agonizing paralysis. A single sting can stop a human heart in under 5 minutes. There's no sound, no chase, just pain, darkness, then silence. And what's worse, humans have no true defense against it. In certain Australian waters, lifeguards now deploy stinger nets and vinegar stations just to survive the jellyfish season. This isn't hunting, it's perfection. A predator that kills without eyes, without motion, without even awareness. It's not rage, it's design. The weaponized genius of nature. Each of these killers, shrimp, eel, frog, jellyfish, evolved a weapon humans still struggle to understand. Power without contact, destruction without touch. But here's where it gets eerie. Scientists studying these predators have already begun copying their abilities. Military engineers have developed underwater drones inspired by pistol shrimp cavitation bursts, mini shockwave weapons that can disable subs silently. Bioengineers are studying electric eel power cells to create bio-batteries that generate electricity inside the human body. Pharmaceutical labs are exploring jellyfish venom proteins to design targeted painkillers and, more controversially, paralytic agents. For millions of years, these creatures killed without contact. Now, humans are learning to do the same. Because nature doesn't just inspire us, it warns us. Every one of these predators reminds us the most terrifying power is the one you never see coming. It's not the bite, it's not the claws, it's the unseen force that kills without touching. Subscribe for more deadly animal secrets.